Hi everyone, very good morning to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well. And if you are watching my channel at very first time, please subscribe to my channel Cyber Buddy and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications whenever I will upload the new videos. And today topic I am going to show you the simple tricks that make your PC faster. And let's get started. The very first trick that I am going to show you is the delete the Windows World folder. Windows World folder, which contains that gives you the option to go back to the previous versions. If you want to delete it, you will no longer be able to use the recovery option. This Windows World folder consumes more than 20 GB storage space. As my opinion, it's not safe to delete the Windows World folder or contents. If you want to delete it, you will no longer be able to use the recovery options. The recovery option, it is very useful when the your system is cracked. By using recovery option, you can easily get back your folders when the system is cracked. In the situations, recovery option will be very useful. So it's depending upon your requirements. You can delete this folder. To delete this folder, go to the search box and type settings. Then select the settings. Settings pop-up box will appear. Open. Here you have to select the system, and you can left corner you can see here that there are a lot of options are there. So in these options you have to select the storage, and then storage, you have to select the configure storage sense or sense. When you click on this, in the last one you can see here the free up space now. When you click on this clean now, click on the clean now. Before going to delete the Windows folder, make sure that recovery option is not required. Then the only delete this file or folder. The only one advantage of the deleting this folder is to will be make your PC faster. So that's why I'm suggesting this trick. Clean, then you can just click on the clean now. It will delete the folders or Windows World folders. If you don't want, you can just skip this trick. I don't want to don't want to delete the Windows World folder, so I'm just skipping this trick. The trick number two is delete the unwanted temp files. The temp folder is a directory on the storage medium such as an hard drive. So use it to store the temporary files. While deleting the temporary files, you may get cannot delete because the file is in use message. But you can just skip those files and delete the temporary temp folder. Or deleting temp folder or files is safe because Windows won't let you to delete a file or folder that is in use, and any file that's not in use won't need it again. So Windows delete everything that is not in use. You will probably get one or two warnings, but you can delete the folders. To delete the temp folders, just press on Windows R button, and then type percentage and temp, and then percentage. Then click on the enter button. Here enter button, it will show you the temporary files which are no longer required. These are the temporary files you can see here. These all are the temporary files that are no longer to require. So just select all. To select all, just click on Control and A. It will select all the folders, all the files. Press the delete button, and it will delete. Just skip the skip and skip. It will delete all the files. skip, 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 skip. Yeah. Deleted all the files. These are the files that are used that are present running on the my system. So that's why we are unable to delete these four files. And then and again, the similarly we have to enter temp. These are all the temporary files that are used by the applications. It's related to the application related information. So here also you can just select all. For selecting all, you can just click on, just press the control and A at a time, and then click on delete, and just click on the skip button. Skip, skip, skip. Yeah, it's deleted all the files. These are the files, remaining files. You can see your three files. These are the files that are present running on my system. So that's why we are unable to delete these files. And two temp folders mentioned are not the same. First temp folder is related to the Windows operating system. The first one, the first temp folder is related to the operating system related information, and the second temp folder which is used to store the application related data. The trick number 3, use disk clean unwanted files. So disk cleanup is a maintenance utility that was developed by the Microsoft for its operating system. The utility scans your computers and hard drives for the files that you no longer need, such as temp files and cache web pages and rejected items. To disk cleanup, just select the disk cleanup in the search box of the taskbar. You can here select the, you can just type disk cleanup. You can see here the disk cleanup. Just click on the open. Click on the open. Here it is asking for the drive that you want to clean up. So I want to clean my D drive. So when you click on the OK, it will, after selecting the drive that you want to clean, then it will ask you for the which folder you want to delete. Like it is showing that recycle bin and direct shader cache. You can select which one you want to delete. I want to select recycle bin, and then OK. So, or you want to permanently delete these files. So make sure that before deleting all the files, so if you don't want to delete it, you can just skip this trick, and you can continue with the next one. And I want to make sure that I want to delete recycle bin. So I'm just click on the delete files. Now it's got deleted. The trick number 4 is disable the background apps. So the main purpose of the background applications normally run in the background to update their lifestyles, or update the new and download the new data from the internet, or to receive the notifications. If you want an applications to continue performance, then you should allow it to the background applications. Or if you don't want to continue performance, you can just disable the applications. To disable the background apps, just go to the settings. For settings, you just click, press the Windows button and I button, and then here you can select the privacy, and in the left corner you can see there are a lot of options are there. If you have to select the background apps, you can see the last one is background apps. So you just click on the background apps. Okay. You can see here that there are these are the applications that are running in background. And check the each application. So if it is necessary to run in background, you can just keep it on. If you don't want to run any application in background, you just turn it to off. See, you can see here the camera. I think no need of the I think no need to use camera in background. So I just turn it to off. The last one, adjust your system for the best performance. To adjust the system for the best performance, just go to this PC. For this PC, just press the Windows button and I button. Oh, here you can see here this PC. So here just right click on this PC and just select the properties. And go to the here you can select the advanced system settings, and then here you can select the settings. See here you can see here the four options are available. The first one is let Windows choose what's best for my computer, or just and the second one is just adjust for the best appearance. The third one is adjust for the best performance. So here you have to select the adjust for the best performance, and then play and then OK. These are the tricks that will make your PC faster, and hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.